In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write preview text in Mailerlite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the preview text setting, how to edit it, and how to control whether it appears only in the inbox preview or inside the email itself. Let's start inside Mailerlite. First, open up the drag and drop editor by either creating a new campaign or editing an existing one. This is the visual editor where you design your email. If you're already familiar with adding blocks, images, and text, you're in the right place. If not, don't worry. We're only focusing on one specific area at the very top of your email layout. Once the editor loads, scroll to the very top of your email design and look for the very first block. This top section is where Mailerlite keeps the pre-header block, which controls your preview text. It might look simple and easy to miss, but it plays a big role in how your email appears in your subscriber's inbox right next to your subject line. Hover your mouse over that first block. When you do, you'll see some small icons appear, including a pencil icon. That pencil icon is your edit button. Go ahead and click it, and this will open up the settings for that block in the sidebar on the right-hand side of the screen. In the sidebar, you'll see a field where you can type your preview text. This is where you add a short, compelling line that appears in the inbox under or beside your subject line. Think of it as a second chance to grab attention or give context. For example, you might tease what's inside, highlight a key benefit, or clarify an offer. Keep it short, clear, and aligned with your subject line so they work together, not against each other. Below that, you'll see an option labeled something like Include an Email Body. If you check this box, your preview text will not only show up in the inbox preview, but also at the top of the actual email when someone opens it. If you leave it unchecked, it stays hidden inside the email body and is only used for the inbox preview. Choose the option that best fits your design. Many people prefer to keep it hidden so the email content starts right away, while others like seeing that supporting line in the email itself. Once you're happy with the text and visibility setting, you're done. Your Mailerlite preview text is now set and ready to help improve your email